Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're talking about the cutest, most effortless ways to stay on his mind all the time, without even trying too hard. Girls, you don't have to be over the top or play mind games to make a guy think about you nonstop. Sometimes, it's the smallest, most adorable things that make a guy completely obsessed. So let's get into it. Here are the cutest ways to live rent-free in his head. 1. Give him a special nickname, and make it stick. Forget the usual babe or cutie. Give him a nickname that only you call him. It could be something funny, a play on his name, or something based on an inside joke. The trick? Use it casually and confidently. Every time someone else calls him by his real name, he'll secretly be waiting for you to say the cute little nickname you gave him. And trust me, when a guy associates a name with you, it'll pop into his head at the most random moments. 2. Wear a signature scent that he'll associate with you. Smell is one of the strongest memory triggers. Find a perfume or body mist that you love and make it your signature scent. When you hug him, leave just a little bit of that scent behind. Next time he catches a similar smell, even if you're not there, he'll instantly think of you. Bonus tip, lightly spray it on his hoodie if he ever lets you borrow one. That way, when he gets it back, he'll get a little reminder of you. 3. Playfully steal something small of his. Take something cute like his hoodie, a bracelet, or even his favorite pen, and hold on to it for a bit. Not in a weird way, just in a playful, teasing way. Say something like, "This is mine now, sorry," and wear his hoodie or keep his bracelet on your wrist. The whole time you have it, he's going to keep thinking about getting it back, which means he's thinking about you. Then, when you finally give it back, he's going to miss the fact that you had it. It's a win-win. 4. Send random, cute voice notes instead of just texting. Texts are great, but voice notes? Even better. A quick, casual, "Hey, just wanted to say hi. Hope your day is going amazing," in your sweet voice will stick in his head way longer than a text. Why? Because now, he's hearing you. Your tone, your laugh, your energy, it makes it feel personal. And trust me, guys will replay that voice note in their heads, even if they don't admit it. 5. Leave something of yours with him, on purpose. This is the reverse of stealing his stuff. Forget a cute scrunchie, a bracelet, or even a lip balm at his place or in his car. Every time he sees it, he's going to think of you. And the best part? When he finally gives it back, he'll low-key miss seeing it around. 6. Say something cute and unexpected before you leave. This one works like magic. Next time you're about to say goodbye, drop a cute, flirty comment that'll stick in his head. Something like, "Try not to miss me too much. Be good while I'm gone, okay? I bet you'll think about me at least once today." It's playful, confident, and leaves him with a lingering thought of you. 7. Laugh at his jokes in a way he'll remember. Every guy loves to feel funny, but if you want to make it special, have a unique way of laughing at his jokes. Maybe you giggle a little extra, playfully nudge him, or say something cute like, "Okay, you win. That was actually funny." If he associates a happy, fun feeling with you, he'll start wanting to make you laugh more, because it makes him feel good too. Randomly text him about something that reminds you of him. This is a game changer. Text him something completely random that connects to him. Like, "OMG, I just saw a guy wearing the same hoodie as you, but yours looks better, obviously. Guess what song came on? That one you were singing last time. I just saw someone trip on the sidewalk, and it reminded me of that time you almost fell. Hope you're walking safely today, lol." It's casual, effortless, and makes him realize you notice the little things about him. 9. Do something cute when you hug him. A regular hug? Too basic. If you want to leave an impact, do something tiny but special when you hug him. Hold on to him for a second longer than usual. Whisper something like, "Okay, I give the best hugs." Admit it. Sway side to side a little to make it playful. That tiny extra effort makes the hug feel different and memorable. 10. Compliment him in a way he's never heard before. Forget the typical, "You're cute" or "You look good." Tell him something unique. Try things like, "I love the way you talk about things you're passionate about. Your energy is just so addicting to be around. You look good, but your personality makes you even better." When you compliment him in a way no one else does, he won't forget it. Ladies, making a guy think about you. isn't about playing games. It's about creating moments that stay in his mind. It's the little things, the cute habits, and the playful energy that makes him remember you in the most random moments. So tell me, which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you in the next one.